Hey there! Are you tired of dealing with excessive humidity in your home? Introducing the AEOCKY Energy Star Dehumidifier. Perfect for anyone looking to keep their space comfortable and dry. This innovative dehumidifier is designed for spaces up to 4,500 square feet, making it ideal for basements, bedrooms, bathrooms, and more. With its smart compressor technology and intelligent humidistat, this dehumidifier is not only powerful but also energy efficient. Say goodbye to musty odors, mold, and mildew with the AEOCKY Dehumidifier, which can remove up to 80 pints of moisture per day. Imagine coming home to a dry, fresh-smelling space every day, thanks to the AEOCKY Dehumidifier. Whether you're dealing with seasonal humidity or a persistent moisture problem, this dehumidifier has got you covered. Don't let humidity ruin your home comfort any longer. Invest in the AEOCKY Energy Star Dehumidifier today and enjoy a healthier living environment for you and your loved ones. Say hello to a drier, more comfortable home with the AEOCKY Dehumidifier. Order now and experience the difference.